Birds cannot fly because of our high rise. They even remain hungry without corn. We have taken their land, even their food. Their shelter nest we destroyed and torn. Air gives life, but we occupied space. We put obstacles for air to not to blow. Sky-high buildings, density of homes, all prevents air to circulate and blow. We do not see group of dogs together. We violated their freedoms of speech and talks. They used to run freely, sit and lay down, but we chained them enslaved inside rocks. We took over their freedoms for ours. We brought unborn to do more sin, to be culprit, to get guns, to disrespect, to quicken last day, to hurt, to be mean. We have done worst, being dictators, tyrants, dishonored the coexistence of others, targeted peaceful innocents as enemies. We cross the line of our ancestors. Birds cannot fly. Because of our high rise, they even remain hungry without corn. We have taken their land, even their food, their shelter, nest we destroyed and torn.